Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we're going to learn math in the last chapter of this book. The title of the chapter is Quadrilaterals, chapter 15. Quadrilaterals is benda berbentuk segi empat, jadi ada empat sisinya gitu ya. Nah, there are three figures that we called quadrilaterals, as we see in page 139. The first one is parallelogram. Bahasa Indonesia jajaran genjang ya. And then the second one is rhombus. Rhombus itu belah ketupat atau layang-layang. And then the third one is trapezium. Trapezium is the same ya, trapezium. As for parallelogram, it is a quadrilateral which the opposite sides are parallel and equal. Jadi yang berhadapan itu semuanya paralel, semuanya sejajar. Ini sejajar dengan ini dan juga panjangnya juga sama. And then this side also the same angle and the same length. Okay. While trapezium only have one pair, one opposite is the same, right? 141, you find out which figures are parallelogram based on the definition, which are rhombus and which is trapezium. Yeah, so you write the figures with the name of the letters, the name of the shape. For example, the first shape in 1A we call it ABCD, right? The second shape we call it EFGH, like that, right? Okay. Okay, now let's observe page 142. It's about the angles, right? As we mentioned earlier, a triangle has 180 degrees in total of the angles, right? Sebuah segitiga itu mempunyai jumlah total sudutnya itu 180 derajat. Yeah, it means if it comes to quadrilateral, how much do you think it will be when we add up all the angles? So when the triangle like this plus this equals 180 degree, right? So when we make a quadrilateral, let's say it looks like this, right? Without the stripe in it. So it means when this one is triangle, it has 180 degree, and this one is also a triangle, it has 180 degree. It means a quadrilateral has a total of 360 degree, right? So we can say that, for example, if we have two angles like this, yeah, this one is angle A, this one is angle B. If we have two angles like this, it means angle A plus angle B equals what? It will be the same as 180. Understood? A plus B is 180 also, because also this one, for example, this is C. C and plus D is also 180 degree. Okay, do you have any problem with that? Okay, so again, yeah, A plus B is 180, C plus D is also 180. What do you think if A plus C? Is it 180 also? Yes, of course. What about B plus D? Yes, of course, it's also 180 degree. Okay, and we also will say another rule, yeah. Okay, when it comes to a parallelogram which is parallel and also this the opposite sides are equal in length. So for example, if we name the angles as EFGH like this, yeah, EFGH, yeah, EFGH. So angle F will be, look at this one, F will be the same as H, E will be the same as G. The opposite angles will be the same, yeah. So for example, if F is 50 degree, H will also be 50. What about G? If this is 50, this will be 180 minus 50, because this plus this equals 180. So if this is 50, this will be 130. If this is 130, this will also be 130. What do you think? Do you understand about this? Yeah? Okay, if you understand about the explanation, I think you will be able to do page 144. Yeah? And okay, everyone, look at D. Find angle RQS. Remember what I mentioned earlier? It is like this, right? So if this angle is 75, then this angle, the total angle, yeah, the total angle here will be what? This will be 180 minus 75. Yeah, you got this angle, and then there's also one angle known, so you will know the angle that is being asked. Okay. Okay, I think you will also be able to do page 146 because it's pretty much the same. Okay, now let's open 147. Yeah, we are talking about the trapezium here. Yeah, so for trapezium, we cannot say that the sides there is side by side like this at up to 180, no, but only the acute plus obtuse angle, right? So this one plus this one will be 180, this one plus this one will be 180. Obtuse plus acute, ya. Sudut tumpul ditambah sudut lancipnya itu yang akan menjadi 180, like this example. This plus this and this plus this. Okay, based on that, I think you will be able to do page 148 and 149, yeah, and also 150. 1A is trapezium, yeah, trapezium is following the steps that we read in page 147, and for the try one is parallelogram. Yeah, remember, if there is a dividing line like this one, yeah, there is a dividing line in the middle, so the acute plus the obtuse will also be 180. The straight angle will form 180 degree also. Okay, please continue until page 158. It means you do the chapter 15 review also, page 157 and 158. Okay, for this part, number 4, you need to draw the rhombus and trapezium inside the grid lines. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you will have no problem in doing all of these tasks. Okay, thank you and see you again, and God bless you all. Bye bye.